Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Boxycharm. Yay, my Boxycharm by Ipsy. And this should have been here about 5 days ago, but the main post office near me is about an hour away in Birmingham. They had it. Then usually when they have things, I get things the next day. Smudge is right over here. And they sent it away from, instead of sending it up north to me, they sent it back to Atlanta. So there it stayed for a little while. The tracking never has changed. So Ipsy thinks it's still in Atlanta, but I got it. I do want you to see how huge this box is because I have no clue why it's so big. There's no reason for it. So let me tell you what's on my eyes and let me tell you what I'm wearing. Smudge, you want to come over? Well, come on. I thought this was a good opportunity to try this palette. And this is the P. Louise Blend Away 2022. It says Badass Babes Crew. I don't really like that. Why do we have to curse? But anyway, this is the fabulous palette that Terry sent me all the way from England. There is a mirror on there and everything, so I don't know what I'm hearing, but this is it. It's huge, it's beautiful. It has a lot of beautiful colors in it. And I thought it would pick up some of the pink in this blouse. What are you up to, y'all? And then I'm wearing Huda Beauty Demi Matte. And this I always, it's Passionista. Is that it? Yeah, Passionista. So that's what I'm wearing. Whoops, and I just dropped that behind. Well, anyway. All right, let's see what's in my Ipsy. You want to come over, Smudge? You want me to show you? You can help me open. My little ring light is a little broken there. Okay, let's see this is huge. There's no reason for it to be so huge. All right, so when you open it, you know, you have a card, you have a little brochure, and there is a little extra stuffing. There's 2 pieces of this. And here, he's here for the box, but when you see what I got, I don't understand. Now this box collapses. It says Beauty's Best Kept Secret. I don't think Ipsy's really a secret. You want to get in there, Smudge? You'll have to move or something. Let me put this back over here. All right, let's see what I got. Okay, so Boxycharm by Ipsy is $30. I bought it by the year. It's $30 and then it's $1.99 for handling. Shipping is free. So it's essentially $32. I bought it I just signed up for it again by the year, and it cost a lot of money by the year, y'all. I did not save that much money, in my opinion. With my shipping and handling, because it was $360 for the year, $345 for the year, plus $14.99 shipping or handling. I'm sorry, the shipping is free. I don't know why I keep saying that. So when you divide that out by the 12, it's $28.75 instead of $32. So yeah, I saved a little bit. So they send this brochure. It says, rewrite the rules. I have had sinus pressure. I had to go home from work yesterday with this pressure. So my voice isn't the best. Rewrite the rules, okay? And in here is some information about Ipsy and about the Power Picks and about Boxy and things like that. And the Mega Drop Shop is coming April 15th. That'll be fun. And about more power to her and things like that. So some interesting things in here. And on the Power Picks, they show a few things. They did send me one of them. One of the Power Picks is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. They did not send me that, which is okay because I have several of them. In fact, I had a few. I got a bunch at Christmas time. So I have some for some friends. So here's what they send you 2 things that they call Power Picks, and then you get to pick 3 things. So you get 5 full-size items. All right, Blue, I don't think there's any room for you right now. Smudge is right here in the box. There he is. You see him? And then Blue is trying to come over. So they picked for me Earth Harbor. This is Earth Harbor products are great. This is Luna Rain Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. So that sounds nice. $49 value. This is, you know, can I ever open a box without ripping it? No, and then I go to open the other side and I rip the other side. This is how it is with me. I never can get these flaps out, but a tweezer does help. So their packaging is beautiful, and this is, they're usually a dropper bottle, and this is a glass bottle, and it is covered with white. So maybe this, when you have vitamin C stuff, you want it not to get to the light. So it could have that in there. Bathe your skin with raindrops of Moonlit Magic. This rich featherweight serum features a medley of seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins. Let's open this because I love Earth Harbor, and their oils and their serums usually are, you can tell it's an oil or a serum, but they are lightweight, and that's why I like them. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, got your dropper bottle. It's milky color. I don't really smell anything. Just, it's like an initial scent of clean. So can you see it's like a milky? I'm gonna start using this tonight. Very thin, very nice. I'm gonna close that before someone knocks it over. It's going right into my skin. It doesn't feel oily or thick or gloppy. You know, it's gonna go right in. Serum, a thin serum would go on, an essence, then a serum before you do your moisturizer. So it says each night gently press 2 to 8 drops into your clean skin and massage it in. So, okay, a couple drops and then massage it in. Very nice. That is $49. I may have already said that. Next, what they picked for me, I'm happy about, is a palette. This is Wander Beauty. You know, Wander Beauty has some products that I like and some products that I don't like. But everything they have is beautiful. This is very pretty. It's the Trailblazer. This is $42. Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. And it is sealed with a little sticker. Let me cut it, and then we'll open it up. I have a palette by Wander Beauty that I really like. So I was excited when they said they were sending this to me. I can't even get this box open. Here we go. The palette's gonna look just like this. Oh, except it doesn't say Trailblazer on it like that. It says it on the back. It's just nice and plain. It has a nice magnet closure. Very nice. And there's a mirror on one side. Oh yeah. This looks very much not the colors, but the pans and everything look very much like the palette I have that I like. This is beautiful. This is right up my alley. Look at that gold. Holy cow. Can you see that shifting going on there? So I'm going to swatch this at the end. So let's move on. $42 value. I think I said that. All right. In my first choice, I could pick Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Serum. I don't use brow serum. Maybe I should. There was Kira Moon brand serum, which Kira Moon is a newer product to me, and I've been introduced to it in Ipsy. I don't think I've had anything by it yet. They had an SPF, I don't remember the brand. They had a Ciate London face palette, and they had Sanage brand, excellent skincare brand. They had an oil, but you see, I got that serum, so I got this. I thought, let me go for this. This I thought was really fun for March. This is SL Miss Glam, a green trio brush set. I thought this was going to open nicely, but it isn't. So, well, you know, sometimes the glue will come right off, and then you can just take it out of the bag. But no, it's not doing it. So let me just rip the whole thing open. And it's a 3-count full, everything's full size in this. This is a makeup brush set. Treat yourself to the sweet trio of essential makeup brushes that sparkle in design and perform. There's an eye, blush, and a bronzer. All right, so this is an eye. This is a big brush for eyes. I don't want to touch them because I'm not sure I like them. So, but I don't think I would ever use this. Well, maybe I would just sweep something on. But The SL Miss Glam brushes are just beautiful. Look at how pretty the green is. Isn't that pretty? It says the name of the company. And then in the barrel, there's always stones. And there's some green, like little emerald stones in here. So isn't that beautiful? And then this one is the blusher. And see how it's like an ombre white at the tip. And then this one is the bronzer, the angled. So I'm not sure that I'll keep them. I just think they're so pretty that I had to get them. So, and that is a $45 value. Okay, Camille, go on, lovey dove. Look, I'm telling you, y'all. Go on. She's messing with the camera. The next category that I got to pick, there was an Ace Beauté liquid eyeshadow. I'm not into liquid eyeshadows. There was a Micho brand, a lippy, but it was rather dark. Aceology lip mask, Kate Somerville, y'all. But it was Eradicate Acne Treatment. And that's expensive and that's good stuff, but I don't have acne. But I highly recommend it if you do have acne, because Kate Somerville products are fantastic. And there was also Jasmine Beauty Bronzer. And then there was this. I got this because it was really pretty. This is Girlactic Fruit Superfood Scrub. I usually like to pick makeup in this box, but I get a lot of skincare too. This is, it looks like a pink gel with the strawberry seeds in it. Fruit Superfood Scrub. Camille, you'll have to sit down. $26 value. She just can't stand the smudges up here, and she isn't. Superfoods aren't just for your smoothies. They're also super beneficial in your skincare routine. Powered by a potent infusion of avocado oil, cucumber, and blueberry and strawberry extracts, plus the strawberry seeds to exfoliate. So it's just beautiful to look at. If you didn't see it on their website, this is what it looks like here. Beautiful. All right, so $26 for that. And then last category, I don't even know where anything is here. I could pick two makeup sponges. There was a black eyeliner. There was TYS Beauty. It was a colored lip butter, like a lip gloss. There was Pomelo and Company, a vanilla conditioner, but I don't know what it was. If it was a conditioner just for your hair, I'm not sure what it was a conditioner for. And then there was Avant brand, super bougie, super expensive brand from England, skincare. It was 3 sets of eye pads, under eye pads, $75, so $25 a set. I just thought that was, if there was nothing else that I could find in the category that I like, I would have got it. But I got the Mud Masky because Mud Masky is an excellent skincare line. And this is one I haven't had before. This is the Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. And it is in orange like the cap. It says Mud Masky, very hard to see on camera. $55 value. I was introduced to Mud Masky in Boxycharm. And it is a wonderful, what I was introduced to, I can't remember. It was a white tube. It was a moisturizer. And I would put it on before I went to bed, and it was phenomenal. I used it all winter. This was several years back, and it was wonderful. And this is pH balanced, repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing, and protecting. Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. So that is an overnight moisturizer is what that is. So I think I'm gonna like that. So that is what I got in my box. I got I'm gonna swatch that palette. We got the Girlactic scrub, face scrub. We got the Luna Rain serum from Earth Harbor. We got these beautiful, beautiful brushes. Just, they're bright and cheery, definitely springtime, We got the Mud Masky, and we got the palette, which I don't know where it's at because everybody's laying all on everything here. I'll be right back. So, and then this is my last item is the Wander Beauty Trailblazer, and let's swatch it. Let's swatch it, y'all. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. Look at those shimmers. Oh my goodness, their shimmers are gorgeous. Okay, let's see what we got. We've got Let's see, Jen and Maddie. That's interesting. All right, this is called Jen. This is Maddie, and this swatched, like, look what it, can you, look what it did to the, like it's got something going on. It looks like a nice brown to me. I don't know, just, this is Mandy. I don't know, the shimmers are way more than just shimmers. I'm not sure what you call them. Divya, D-I-V-Y-A. What does that mean? Divya? Let's see if it says on the back what it is. I just touched it all with the stuff. It doesn't say like anything in particular about it, but all right, if I have anything left on my fingers, we'll swatch, okay? How pretty. That one is, this is very light, this Jen. It's the same color as my skin, so I don't think you're gonna see it. Isn't that pretty? See, I like this palette. It's so pretty. Just to clean my hands off there. Then, all right, let's see. We can do these other 1, 2. We'll do 3 this time. This is Noreen. That's a beautiful green. Lindsay P. and Elizabeth. Interesting names. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. Can you see that? Look at the shimmer. Oh, wow. Very, very beautiful. Get some of that off of me and I'll swatch the last 3. All right. So pretty. This is Mackenzie. This one is Alex, A-L-Y-X, and this one is Lindsay E. So there's Lindsay P and Lindsay E. So, see, they look, you know, since I touched them, oh, those are stunning. Stunning. Oh, I love it. I love it. I went and got the other palette that's similar, the Sweet Escape. And when I say it's similar, just the way that it's packaged. So this is it, and I love it. And this is the new one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This one is called Sweet Escape. And I got that from Boxycharm, Ipsy. I don't know why this one doesn't have the name on the front like this one, like this does. But it is Trailblazer. All right, y'all, we're gonna go. Y'all, if you want to see these close-up pictures, I'll put them on Instagram, okay? Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.